everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this video is just a quick one on how I've been making my makeup last all day, especially in work when I wear a mask and the cold weather and stuff. So these are just the things that I've been using the last couple of weeks, maybe like 2 weeks, and it's just working really well for me. So it's nothing major. I do 2 face masks a week. I do one to help like with my blemishes, just because I do wear a lot of makeup on and off, and I also do one for dry skin. So if you want to know my morning routine, please continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So I'm recording this in my bedroom on my phone. I'm about to do a makeup look for TikTok, so that'll be up at the end of this video. Do some cute snowflakes with gems. But anyway, so I just noticed someone said to me, like, how does your makeup still look good at the end of the day after working like 8 hours or whatever, with a mask on, sweating with the hair dryers and all on in the salon all day? And I just noticed that my makeup is lasting quite well. And I don't think it's necessarily like the actual foundation I'm using, although you do need to make sure your foundation and your concealer works, or your foundation and your cream works well together. And I just know some of mine don't work, so I think it is, my nails are so bad, but I think it's just you need to kind of figure that out yourself. I mean, you can do the research and see what works well, you know, to water based, cream based, all the different ingredients that mix, but I do think it's a lot to do with your skin more than anything. So the first thing I use is bio oil. I love it. I do use it for like stretch marks and stuff, and I do think it does help. There is like, if your stretch marks have gone too far, there's no turning back and stuff, but I always find that a bit of bio oil on my skin just really does give my skin that bit of hydration and that freshness that I really need. I need to grab something. What I notice is when I use the bio oil out of the bottle, I tend to get oil everywhere and waste a bit of product. And even a little 60 mils like this is £10. So, you know, it's quite a lot of money for a little bit of product, and you don't need a lot. So what I do is I kept one of these old hyaluronic acids from The Ordinary, which I do like to use anyway, hyaluronic acid. But I haven't been using that the last while, and I do find if I use that hyaluronic acid at nighttime, it does work well, but I might do a nighttime routine if anyone wants to see that. So I have an old hyaluronic acid bottle, and I just fill it up with the bio oil, and I can just take little amounts because as you know, with oils, they tend to spread quite evenly across the skin. I've actually already done this, so I might redo the whole lot. So bio oil is the first one because I do find it's super good for the hydrating on my skin, and it keeps me really fresh as well. Second thing I use is day cream. So even though it's winter, you still want something that has SPF in it because the sun is still out. So I have this number 7 one, and I got this in the advent calendar on one of the first days. This is really good. I really like it. It's hyperallergenic and blah blah blah, it has all the good stuff, but this one works really well. I'll show you like the consistency of it. So what I liked with creams in the morning is I don't like them too thick and I don't like them too thin. So you can see the consistency of it, and I just find that it blends in really well and it dries up a little faster. So I would do the bio oil. I wake up in the morning, especially when I have work, I have somewhere to be, but I wake up in the morning and I tend to go to the bathroom, like brush my teeth and wash my face, and then I use the Clean and Clear cleansing lotion, which I know is mixed reviews for different people. It works well for my skin. Then I put on the bio oil and I go make a cup of coffee, and then I come back because by the time I've done my coffee, or sometimes I might do like a morning stretch, but I do give it like a couple of minutes just to set into my skin, so my skin does feel slightly less oily. But you realize when you start using oil in the morning that you need something, you only need a little amount because you need just to cover your face. That's literally it. Nighttime, sometimes I tend to use a little bit more because I'm just at home, but I just use the bare amount just to cover my face. And then I'll go in and use my day cream because my face has dried. And then eye cream, the Neutrogena Awakening Eye Gel. This is my favorite cream. I've gone through about 3 or 4 of these in the last year, the last 6 months, but I really like this one, and I use it on my lips as well because from talking and drinking using straws, that's where I tend to get a little bit wrinkly around my lips and under my eyes, and just to brighten them up. Then lip balm is a really important one. I just been using number 7 one. Again, it came in my kit, and my boyfriend says he likes it as well because sometimes when I use Dr. Pawpaw or like Carmex, he can get the taste or the feeling off it, and sometimes too greasy for him, but that's a really good one. And then the thing that this a jade roller. Mixed reviews on it again. It works for me. If I don't use it at night time and then I wake up the next morning, I notice my face is puffier. When I do use it, my face feels less puffier. And in the morning as well, after I do the oil, if I just lie there, sit there for a minute and do that. Even sometimes when I'm like in bed watching a bit of telly or on the sofa or something, I'll just use this. And I mean, it mightn't work for you, it depends on what you believe in it, but I find this is really good. And this wasn't an expensive one. I think I got it off Amazon, to be honest, and it was only a couple of pound, but it works well for me, so that's why I like to use it. It tends to just make my face look a little less puffy in the morning. The last thing I use, which is a primer, and I love this one from The Ordinary, the high silicone primer. I've had this for quite a while, and then only in the last couple of weeks I've decided, well, I'll try a bit of primer, and I absolutely love this. And there's only a few of The Ordinary products that I really like, but the hyaluronic acid and this, the day cream, I was a massive fan of. I went through the whole bottle. It just wasn't for me, but the primer, this is what I think has been helping keep my makeup on. Also makes my makeup go on a lot smoother, because when I'm wearing a mask and work and stuff, I try not put makeup here, but sometimes if in the morning I'm going somewhere else before work, I have somewhere to go after work, it's kind of like, if I don't have tan on my face and I have tan on my neck, as you can see, there's like a slight color difference. Under here looks really white and it looks funny, so I do sometimes have to wear makeup, but the primer really does work. I've been using like tanning sprays on my face and stuff, so that I can just put on a bit of concealer and things like that. But bio oil, SPF cream, some eye cream for hydrating your eyes, lip balm, jade roller, and a primer are my tips. Basically, it's really simple. These are probably things you already have at home. Everyone always has a bottle of bio oil in their house for some reason. Well, just try it on your face. Works really well for my face. I mean, it's about lunchtime now, and I've been out for a walk and stuff as well. But these are just the things that work well for me. So let me know in the comments if they work for you. I'm going to go do my makeup for TikTok, and then I'm going to come back. But yeah, take note of all these products. I'll link what I can below. Okay, you ready? 3, 2. So I'm gonna insert what my makeup for the TikTok video was, because I completely forgot to do the ending for this YouTube video, and now I have to rush out of the house. But yeah, it was just a cute little icicle moment that was really cool, and I just reapplied a little bit of foundation just because I have to head out really quick. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you have any tips as well that someone might find interesting, comment below. I do have a top on. It's just like a booju. I look kind of naked. But yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.